Hey everybody, it's the Ginger Optimist, and today I'm going to be cooking steel cut oatmeal in my Instant Pot. So come on, let's get started. If you have a large family to feed and you want to give them a hearty breakfast, then you're probably going to want to make steel cut oats in the big pot itself. But I'm going to do the pot in pot. I'm going to use mason jars. And I've already put a 1/3 cup of steel cut oats in each jar. First thing I'm going to do is put a little dash of salt in each one of my mason jars. Now I'm going to put a little dash of cinnamon, well, a couple of dashes actually. Now I'm going to put in a tablespoon of organic chia seed. Packed with all kinds of nutrients. All right, now I'm going to put in a little box of raisins in each jar. Those are kind of clumped together. See if I can help them out. Okay, now I'm going to put some pecans on top. I'm going to add a few blueberries and a few frozen banana circles. I cut these up and freeze them. I flash freeze them and then I put them in a bag so they'll separate easy. The bananas are from overly ripe bananas that have several freckles on the skin. The bananas bring a natural sweetness, so that will add to the sweetness of the oatmeal. I'm going to add just 3 or 4 sweet dark cherries in this last batch. Now let's do 6 because I love sweet dark cherries. Now I'm going to add 1/3 cup of homemade apple cider. Put the lids on, but I'm not going to seal them. I'm not going to put them on tight. Just going to set it on there so that the water will not get in there from the Instant Pot while they cook. Going to put 1.5 cups of water in the Instant Pot. Okay, and I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to turn it on manual, and let's give it 6 minutes and give that, let's go 7. Close it, make sure that the valve is on sealed. And let it do its thing. And now it is depressurizing. It's already been working on that for 7 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and do the quick release so we can check this. It's about ready anyway. Open that lid away from your face. Let's see if we can get these jars out and see how our oatmeal turned out. Okay, so we're going to give it a try, see how it tastes. It is hot, so I've got to be careful. This is delicious. Wow, I will make this for company sometime in the future. I'll put the recipe down below where it says show more. Click on that. You can find this recipe Also, if you need an Instant Pot, click on that link. It'll take you right to my Instant Pot. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. If you're not following me already, I hope you will. Have a great day. God bless.